Many of us have a common question that my channel is not found after search result. In this video, we'll talk about the way we can find our channel after searching. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. We'll log into our YouTube channel. We'll go YouTube Studio first. We'll find here setting tab, channel tab. We'll click onto this. Now we'll find a box written keywords. I have given a lot of keywords for this channel. Area of motivation, motivational video, motivational speech, motivational, inspiration, success, training, etc. etc. I've given many keywords for this channel. Once anyone search with these keywords and topics, then they will find my channel for these keywords. So guys, in this way you can use your keywords for getting your channel. Once anyone goes for searching, subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.